Friday, it's the 21st of November, it's just gone 7 o'clock. I've just filled up with diesel, I've had my coffee, I've had my toast. That's set me right up for the day, that is. Right? It really has set me right up nicely for the day. It's a bit of a touch. So I am off now, 45-minute drive, and I've got to go and plaster a media wall that I've not seen. I've only seen it in a photo. I don't know who's built it, I don't know who's boarded it. Let's just hope it's straight, eh? Let's just hope that them old ankle beads are meeting in the corners without too much faffing. Anyway, I'll see you on the job.
Come on, do it now!
Right, believe it or not, I am here. It is pitch black. It is about, what's the time? 7:15. And that was a day. I knew it was going to be quite a long day, but I didn't expect that at all. That whole media wall, I've been in there since 8 o'clock, and I can promise you I've not stopped. It's 20 to 7. And after beading it, I've started skimming it at dead on 11 o'clock. And it's taken that long, but unbelievably, that was a bag and 3/4 of finish. That's how long that's taken to do that. I know I'm getting old, but Jesus, I'm not that slow. Right, I don't know if you can make out my Gollum-like face in the darkness. It is 5 to 7 on a Friday night. I'll tell you what, I don't know where the time went with that media wall. Well, I do know where it went. It's a media wall. So I got there this morning. I hadn't seen the job. It was someone had got in touch with me, sent me a couple of photos, said they had all the beads there, that it had all been boarded. So I thought, okay, yeah, that looks okay. It does from a photo, doesn't it? It looks okay. So when I got there, they said, well, we done it ourselves, so we did, you know, there's bits and pieces everywhere, which there was bits sticking out, bits sticking in, and you know, good on them for doing it. They saved themselves some money. So I had to sort of get the surf form and you know, the rasp and shave a few edges down at first. And they said they'd got the beads for it, and obviously I think they'd been looking at maybe YouTube or something. Obviously not my channel. And what they do, they bought four 2.4 metre stop beads for a media wall. So lucky enough, I predict these things. So I had a load in the garage, so I chucked about 15 beads on this morning, which lucky I did really. So obviously I had to use all my beads, which is not a problem, but obviously it takes a while to cut them down, and then you're trying to tack them beads onto edges that are not been done by a chippy or a plasterer, so you're on a DIY edge. And that took, to get all that done, that took me 3 hours, just setting up and getting the beads on. I literally mixed the plaster up at about 5 to 11, started spreading at 11 o'clock. So what made that media wall much harder was the depth of the boxes in it, because I think it's going to have some like hi-fi equipment on it, which is going to be obviously fairly deep. So it's alright building all these things, but plastering them is a different kettle of fish really, especially on the back wall. Because generally when you build a media wall, you use the existing back wall, so you haven't got to plaster that, it just gets painted in. But for some reason this has been built and then they plasterboard in, like cut, put plasterboard on the back wall. So I had to leave right in and get that as well. And you know, there's no room, there's no real room for a trowel, so I had to use my little midget trowel, which is never really good using it with bloody little things, and then trying to use a little spatula and all that, because there's no way I'd get me normal trowel into the back there. It was just too small. So you combine that over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You combine that over 6 silly sized boxes. You've got all them internals to go round, and you know, I'll hold my hands up. They're alright, the internals at the end of it, but they ain't perfect. I mean, how much time do you spend on that? I think they're going to have all speakers shoved in there and other bits and pieces. So I just said to them, before you paint it, just go around and just give it a very light rub down really. There's only so much time you can spend on it really. But anyway, yes, that was a hell of a day really. I priced it up alright, I've earned alright out of that day. I knew it was going to be a long day. I didn't expect to be getting home at gone 7. I thought it might be like a 5 o'clock or something. But... So yeah, I priced accordingly, so I've earned my money, but I am shattered really. I haven't really eaten, I haven't stopped from 8 o'clock to 6:30, so I can honestly say I stopped to have a quick mouthful of tea or chuck a bloody biscuit in my mouth. That was it, I just didn't have the time. But anyway, that's that. Gone nearly home now, and tomorrow night I'm out DJing again. Life is busy, man, it really is. Full week again next week, full on, straight into it all. Don't know what I've got coming up next week. What am I doing? It's a bit bit of everything again, bit of rendering, bit of plastering, bit of decorating. So anyway, I'll see you all soon. Have a good weekend.